No.
Look, I can do the Sam Smith thing. You ready?
Won't you say?
There's some Sam Smith button. It just works. Boom shakalaka boom. Do we have a level? Do we have a level? Is it coming through? Was it not coming through? Is it pumping correctly? Are you on the right channel?
There's nothing coming through.
Nothing. That obviously means the XLR lead is dead.
It was clipping a minute ago.
Yeah.
On the
Yeah,
channel.
but I just pushed it out.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't. It wasn't. I swear.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. What is you good for? Absolutely nothing.
Wait,
it
we've lost
flashing?
it again. It's gone again. Unless you're just not loud enough.
Something to do.
And then you come back and look.
Dodgy. Dodgy
Now it works.
YMCA.
Could be because it's crossing power, you shouldn't do that.
YMCA. Something like that. Yeah,
It's perfect.
Peter can have so much
so
fun
do we
looking
have,
at
do we
these
have time for this?
videos.
Yeah, we should do it. Yeah, okay. So it starts into Ops 1 and see what. Oh, hello! There it is. There. Yeah, go on. I need a bit more. Need a bit more. It's all about me. It's all about me. I need to hear me. Me.
Jack's just been replaced.
Yeah. No, that's fine. That's good. That's
Sorry,
good.
Jack.
I've got it. Okay, right. Cool. Jack, do you want to plug in? You're in the die box.
In a die box.
Yeah, die box.
A die box.
Die box.
That's about right.
Oh, it's
Plug
Guy.
it in.
Yeah.
I wonder what that
Same thing,
was.
except because we don't have battery in there, we need phantom power. Phantom power. How did I make you guys remember phantom power at the beginning of the year? What power does it need? I love how nobody laughed at that.
You're
Good.
on. Give me a
Nothing
strum.
like love and support of your colleagues. Anyway.
Go on, give us a bit of Wonderwall.
When you're ready.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah. You want a monitor? You want a bit?
Yeah, I need to hear myself.
Cool.
You know, it's all about.
It's all about, it is all about you, isn't it?
Yeah, it's always specifically like musicians. So you might be asking for a Starbucks. Did you? Okay. Is that it?
Yep.
I see you play now?
Yep.
Okay.
This is the
We're all
intimidating
judging you
bit.
as well, just so you know.
This is the intimidating part. Anyway, here's one more.